All right, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to simply use a Sara Stedy to transfer a patient to a shower. So this is a Sara Stedy. You're just going to place it in the shower like this. You're going to put the chair down or whatever they're going to sit on, and they should be sitting on it at this point. Now there's those two paddles in front of it. That's where they sit. Those two purple paddles, those lift up so they can, at this point you'd want them standing, and then you have them sit down, okay? Now when they're done with the shower, you can move this out of the way. When they're done with the shower, you have them stand back up, and then you go ahead and place those paddles down. So as you can see, I'm sitting in them right now. You can see this is how the person should look when they're using the Sara Stedy. And that's pretty much all you need to do to get a patient who's unable to walk quickly into the shower without, straining your back or having to manage a wheelchair in the shower or using a slide board. They simply just need to be able to stand up. If they can't stand up, or if they can't even sit up on their own, a Sara Stedy is probably not the best option. Now, what if you want them to get onto the toilet? It's pretty much the same thing. Now, sometimes you want to widen the legs or put the legs close together, but this is the coolest, I think this is one of the most revolutionary devices in our age for transferring patients onto a toilet or onto a shower. It just makes it so easy. Now, as you can see, there's those bars in the way, and sometimes the Stedy's not going to fold up because it's going to hit those bars. So you just have to make sure you have enough room. But yep, what you do is you just put them on the toilet, have them sit down, and then when you're done, you can just wheel them away. It's as simple as that, guys. This is the easiest solution to help patients get in and out of the shower, in and out of the toilet, and it doesn't put any strain on your back, and it's just super easy. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.